This is the nothing watch face for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and it looks wonderful on the watch, and you can see it looks exactly like the nothing watch which has come out recently. It also comes with a really good always on display which looks absolutely beautiful because of the black AMOLED display of the watch and a red dot of notifications in there. It also shows you the battery percentage along with the number of steps you have covered. Not only this, there are more nothing watch faces which absolutely look beautiful with beautiful always on displays and looks really amazing on the watch. So in this video we will see all the nothing watch faces that are there for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and how you can install them on this watch. So as always, this will be a sick video guys, and if you are enthusiast, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up because I will be making more videos like this. So the first watch face on the list is the Nothing OS watch face. As you can see, it shows you a lot of information, and this watch face is absolutely free for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So it shows you the time along with the temperature and the battery percentage, also the steps, also the date and the day and the month. And the best part is there is a big animation going on, and this is the boot animation for the Nothing phone with the Nothing logo, and it also comes with a beautiful always on display which shows you the time in there. And if you want to download this watch face, make sure you watch the video till the end because at the end I will be telling you guys how you can install all these watch faces in the watch. In the list is a really minimalistic nothing watch face. As you can see, it shows you the time in this analog format with the red dot in there, which is the second hand moving on this watch. It is so good looking with this beautiful always on display. I just love this watch face because of its minimalistic design. Also, you will get a white color watch face for this same watch face for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, and this is definitely one of the really good looking watch face for the watch. The name of the watch face is Nothing OS Bold, and you can get this watch face also on this watch. So the white variant also looks really good on the watch, and always on display is the same. Next watch face on the list is the Nothing OS Scale watch face, and this watch face is also another minimalist watch face, and always on display looks really good. As you can see, it shows you the time in this analog format. I'm really a big fan of the always on display which comes with this watch face, and definitely this also comes with a white background, and definitely this also looks good on this watch. This is the white variant of the watch face for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, and it looks really good on the watch. This you can download for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 as well. Next watch face on the list is the Nothing watch face, and this is inspired by the glyph interface, and always on display also consists of the Nothing glyph interface along with some of the information like the date and the month and the day. So this is the watch face you should be installing on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. It also shows you the temperature and the battery percentage. Really looks good on the watch, and definitely this you can download on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. Here is another beautiful watch face which you can download for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, and this watch face consists of a really good design. You can see it also shows you the time in this analog format, and the 12-hour format is written in words on the hands of this watch face. Also it comes with a beautiful color always on display, and this you can download for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 as well. There is another minimalistic Nothing watch face which you can download, and the watch face name is Nothing Vertical, and this watch face is also available for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, and you can see the second will be always blinking in here. And this is a really beautiful watch face with this dot matrix style, and the battery percentage which will be showing at the bottom of the watch face comes with this beautiful always on display which looks really good on this watch. You can also download this definitely on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. Last watch face on the list is the Nothing OS watch face, and this watch face also shows you the battery percentage and the number of steps along with the date and the day, and this also comes with this beautiful always on display, and you can download this also for the watch. So all the watch faces you can download by installing the Facer app, which is an app for the Wear OS, and in this app you will get a number of watch faces which you can download, and each app you need to also install on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, and once you install it on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 you need to choose the watch face which is the Facer watch face. So in the watch face option you need to scroll down and make sure you have chosen the Facer watch face up there. Once you have chosen the Facer watch face, now you will be able to install any watch face up there from the Facer app. So you can come to the Facer app and go to any watch face of your choice and click on this free option, and it will get installed on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 instantly. And this is how you can install the Nothing watch faces on this watch. So that's it guys, I just wanted to show you how you can install the Nothing watch faces on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and hit that bell notification up because I will be making more videos like this. So if you want to know exactly how you can install this type of watch faces on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, make sure you watch the video which will be on the right. And once you watch the video, you will know how you can install all type of watch faces from the Facer app on this watch.